cause of hype is hope. Isa na namang gwapo at gwapang araw sa inyong lahat. All's well that ends well. Dumaan ng butas ng karayom si Kai Sotto to make sure na makakapaglaro siya sa Gilas Pilipinas as scheduled, and at the same time will make sure na makakabalik siya sa kanyang mother team sa Amerika not later than February 24 according sa ating nakuhang reports. Alam naman natin nag-back out ang SBP as a host for the third window qualifiers, at dahil dito ay marami ang mga ugong-ugong na baka sa practice lang si Kai Sotto makakalaro at hindi sa official game dahil wala pang host country. But ginulat si Kai Sotto at tayong lahat sa decision ng Qatar to host the event as scheduled. In fact, to the rescue ang Qatar sa hinihintay ng lahat ng first ever game ni Kai Sotto. And with the development, ay sure na talaga na makakalaro si Kai Sotto sa February window, and this will mark as the first time na makakalaro siya sa Gilas Pilipinas senior team. And he will also make history as one of the youngest players sa Gilas history na magiging parte sa final lineup ng Gilas Pilipinas men's team. And we have to be thankful sa Qatar dahil hindi masasayang ang sakripisyo ni Kai Sotto by choosing to play for the national team and missing the first part of the NBA G League bubble. But before that, ay nais muna naming magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga subscribers natin at mga casual viewers na hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Kung hindi sa inyo, ay wala itong channel na ito. And we are now celebrating a new milestone dahil napakabilis nating nakuha ang 50,000 subscribers. Ito'y panaginip lang noon, naging totoo. Ito isang malaking utang na loob namin sa inyo, mahal naming mga gwapo at gwapang mga taga-subaybay. Rest assured that with this new milestone ay papatuloy pa namin ang paghahatid ng bago at may kabuluhan ng mga impormasyon sa mundo ng sports. At sana ay hindi kayo magsawang suportahan ang Express Info Channel. Again, thank you very much for your support, and please be advised that we will have our winners announcement sa video natin bukas 8 AM in the morning Philippine time, at ipamimigay na namin ang dalawang Nike shoes. At meron pang 3 consolation prizes na bukas nyo na malaman kung ano ito. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Patuloy lang po ang pag-like, share, and subscribe at mag-comment sa ating mga videos dahil meron namang tayong bagong pag-giveaways. This time bigger, better for our 100k subs giveaway. Abangan sa mga susunod nating mga videos kung ano ang pwede mong mapapanalunan. And please don't forget also to subscribe to our other sports channel na may sports balita. Subscribe na! It looks like Kai Sotto will be able to suit up for Gilas Pilipinas after all. Ang Qatar ay nag-volunteer na doon gaganapin sa kanila ang Group A third window ng FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers in the same time frames original na nakaschedule dito sa Pilipinas, sabi ng Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, SBP. We are thankful to FIBA and the Qatar Basketball Federation for all their efforts to make sure that the FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers for Group A will push through. SBP President Al Panlilio said. But that wasn't the only good news. The games will be played in the same time frame, but we'll be communicating with the Qatar Basketball Federation for the final schedule as there might be necessary adjustments since they are now hosting 12 teams from the original 4, Panlilio added in the statement. Ang third window ay nakaschedule mula February 18 hanggang February 22. And sticking to the time frame, it means na si Kai Sotto will be able to push through with his plans na mag-represent ng bansa. Kung saan, isa napakalaking desisyon para kay Kai Sotto considering na mag-debut sana siya sa kanyang laro with the NBA G League. Sabi ni Coach Brian Shaw, ang former Los Angeles Lakers standout at ang kasalukuyang coach ni Kai Sotto at National Basketball Association G-League Squad Ignite na hindi pa sure kung si Kai Sotto ay makarejoin sa Ignite team na gaganapin sa isang bubble sa ESPN Wide World of Sports Complex at the Walt Disney World Resort in Orlando, Florida pagkatapos niya maglaro sa Gilas. Depending on the timing of everything, especially because he's traveling internationally, the quarantine times can be a lot longer. Shaw told on Thursday, We don't know how that's going to play out when all is said and done in terms of him coming back and joining the team or not. Ang G-League bubble sana ang supposed first taste of official competition ni Kai Sotto in the league that serves as a farm system of sorts for the NBA. Shaw said the team is fully behind Sotto's decision to join the national pool. Suportado nila ang desisyon ni Kai Sotto na maglalaro sa Gilas Pilipinas. One of the things established before all these guys entered the program was that we weren't going to hold anybody back, Shaw said. However, as a condition of his release to the national program, kailangan ni Kai Sotto na makabalik siya sa United States sa darating na February 24. The Inquirer reported that Qatar had volunteered to sub for the country, which scrapped its hosting plans because of pandemic-related travel restrictions. But Qatar, sources initially said, was willing to host the window in March, putting Sotto's plans in peril. But with the development, the national program now just have to wait for Sotto to arrive. We are hoping he arrives as soon as possible so he can begin joining us in practice and absorb the system, said Coach Jong Orchico, who handled the national team in the second window, mga guwapo. The last time we spoke, we're experiencing some issues on documentation, Panlilio said. We hope he can fly as soon as possible. Ang Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas continues to work ways para kay Sotto para makasali na sa Gilas Pilipinas preparation for the final window of the FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers as soon as it can. SBP President Al Panlilio said time is of the essence as it continues to finalize details on how Sotto can fly in from the United States and take part in the Gilas training bubble in Calamba, Laguna. Last time we spoke, we were just clearing some legal documentation and we're hoping for him to fly as soon as possible kasi he needs to undergo quarantine, Panlilio said, referring to the mandatory 14-day quarantine period Sotto needs to observe upon arrival. So, the sooner he leaves the US, actually the better for him so that we don't eat up on the days of practice, added the SBP head. So, ibig sabihin yan na mamimiss ng 7'3" youngster ang first part ng G-League Ignite stint in the NBA G-League bubble in Orlando, Florida. Ang G-League season ay magsisimula sa February 11 hanggang March 7 kung saan ang Ignite ay nakaschedule na maglalaro ng 15 games. I know he has commitments. Initially, after the window in Pampanga, he's supposed to go back to the States right away and go back to the G-League, Panlilio said. The window is very short, so we want to make sure we maximize that and bring him over. Sa makatuwid ay tuloy ang plano ni Kai Sotto na kung saan sa tingin natin ay ang best for his basketball career. And hopefully, everything will go according to plan at walang mga aberya dahil as much as gusto natin maglalaro si Kai Sotto sa Gilas, ay excited din tayo makakabalik agad si Kai Sotto sa Team Ignite. At sana meron pa siyang abuting laro sa NBA League when he will come back. Ipagdasal na lang natin ang ating idol at sana ay mananalo tayo against Korea and Indonesia. And I hope Kai Sotto will do his share and dominate the competition like a real NBA player.